Welcome to my channel Kitchen Mania by Preeti. Happy World Health Day to all of you. Well, every day should be a health day, but to dedicate this one day specifically to World Health Day, I'll take you through lots of recipes which will give you ideas how to make the regular recipes of day-to-day life healthier. Like I always say, eat healthy to stay healthy. So it's very important that we eat healthy ingredients in our daily meals to be healthy. Nature is so beautiful, isn't it? Such beautiful colors of nature and such great health benefits. May it be fruits or vegetables, everything that's edible and gift of nature is loaded with health benefits. In the current scenario, many of us are living in flats and we don't have space to grow veggies at home. But kitchen gardening is one of the options with which we can grow some of the veggies and fruits at home. And these are the glimpses of some of the fruits and veggies grown in my home. I am always fascinated towards nature, so I admire these veggies and fruits, and I try growing at home with whatever space I have. And also my friends, my extended family loves kitchen gardening, and these are few glimpses of them shared by them. Now let's see what recipes we can make out of all of them. You can make palak corn masala recipes on my Facebook page. You can make palak corn roti wraps, which is another healthy version. You can make matar palak paneer, or you can add methi. You can add lots of greens to the regular vermicelli to make it healthier. Make moong ka chila, moong ka paratha, a healthy option. You can make palak naan, methi naan or kulcha. Momos, yes, the momos, let's make them healthier. Again, the palak parathas, palak rotis, anything of your choice. Palak kofta, no fry palak kofta is another choice. Now to stuff in some more green veggies to the regular atta momos and make it healthier and healthier. Haryali kebab, who doesn't like it? Make it greener, make it richer by more veggies and nuts. Moringa or drumstick leaves, everybody knows the benefits, make parathas, chilas. Add more greens to the regular dal and add on more dals to it. You can make haryali biryani, I recently posted a recipe. Beetroot bati, why not? Yes, beetroot makes it healthier and colorful. Some kebabs with more veggies. Not to miss the fruits, oh yes, the natural beautiful colors. More veggies, and we make a corn bharta and make roti wraps out of it. Why to have the regular upma when we can add lots of greens to it, lots of veggies to it? So here's my version of palak aloo gajar upma, which was loved by my family and my friends. The metabolism and digestion process, make it more creative to make the family eat it in a healthier way. You can also make the regular chila, roti, paratha more healthy by adding veggies. This was my version of pumpkin chila. Fruits should be the actual dessert post lunch. And Loki paratha is my family's most favorite right now. I recently posted the recipe with grapes chutney. Coming up with dalia, which is enriched with vegetables and very yummy. You can make the regular suji chila more healthier by adding palak and beetroot purees, stuffing in more veggies along with cheese to make it more interesting for the kids. How interesting it sounds when the regular aloo paratha is topped with amla chutney and the potato stuffing is stuffed in with more bell peppers. Healthier, isn't it? Now let's move on to poha, a very healthy poha enriched with palak and the goodness of strawberries. Yummy to the core. Beetroot chila with more of veggie stuffings and topped with corn. Now some beetroot hearts, I call it heartbeats. Some wonderful health loaded and nutri loaded upma, oats upma, lots of veggies again, palak khichdi, palak pulao, what not. So you can add more veggies, you can add fruits to the chutneys, nuts to the chutneys, include amla in your diet, it enhances the immunity levels. You can make healthy desserts out of peanuts, good source of protein. To make it healthier, you can add upon date syrup, you can add honey and have it. You can make nuts and seeds bar, recipes on my page. Make veg loaded dhokla. Why to have simple dhokla when we have so many beautiful veggies around, and that makes your food healthier. And to make the normal omelette more healthier, stuff in more veggies, make colorful idlis, uttapam, and enjoy your health with the gifts of nature. So what I want to say is, have a healthy diet like this platter, which is full of colors, the natural colors of nature, and full of health benefits. If you've liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, eat healthy, stay healthy.